Before buying a compost spreader, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many buyers struggle with uneven distribution and durability issues, which isn't mentioned until it's too late. Let's uncover the best options available so you can avoid those headaches. Product number 1, Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard Mini. First up is the Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard Mini Broadcast Spreader. Priced at $59.97, this is a bestseller with an impressive 4.6-star rating from over 23,000 reviews. If you want a hassle-free experience with your compost and fertilizer, this is worth a serious look. What caught my attention is that it comes pre-calibrated and ready to use, which is a huge time saver. The EdgeGuard technology ensures that your lawn products stay off driveways and sidewalks, focusing on your grass where it matters most. Plus, its capacity covers up to 15,000 square feet, so you can treat larger areas without constant refilling. This matters because you want to save time and ensure your lawn gets nutrients evenly distributed. Now, some folks have mentioned that it can struggle with larger chunks of compost. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it for standard lawn products, it performs exceptionally well. But if your compost is particularly chunky, you might want to consider a different model. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized yard and want an easy-to-use spreader without the hassle of assembly. Skip this one if you have a lot of uneven terrain or heavy compost to spread. For the price, it's a solid investment in your lawn care. Now, if the Scott Spreader's limited handling of chunky compost concerns you, the next option might catch your eye. Product number 2, VEVOR Compost Spreader with Adjustable Handle. Next up, we have the VEVOR Compost Spreader. At $75.97, this model has a rating of 4.1 stars from 1,100 reviews, and it features an adjustable handle that ranges from 41.1 inches to 43.1 inches. If you're looking for something that caters to different user heights, this is one to check out. What I really like about this spreader is its 24-inch wide steel basket, which makes compost distribution much quicker and easier. The powder-coated steel means it'll resist rust and corrosion, ensuring it lasts through multiple seasons of lawn care. It can hold up to 132 pounds, making it ideal for both small and larger spreading jobs. This is important because you want something durable that can handle your compost without breaking down. However, some users pointed out that it can be a bit heavy when fully loaded. But honestly, if you're doing a lot of spreading, that heft can actually provide better control. It may be a drawback for some, but for those who don't mind a little muscle, it's a trade-off for efficiency. This is perfect for you if you value durability and adjustability in your tools. Skip this one if you have a smaller yard or don't want to deal with the weight. Considering its features, it's a decent price for a reliable spreader. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for large area coverage. Product number 3, VEVOR 24-in Wide Peat Moss Spreader. The third product is another VEVOR model, but this one has a T-shaped handle and is priced at $68.90. It also carries a 4.1-star rating with over 1,100 reviews. If you want easy maneuverability, keep listening. This spreader features 3 adjustable handle heights, which is great for reducing back strain while working. This means you won't have to stop to refill as often. The mesh design ensures even spreading across your lawn, which is crucial for healthy growth. You want to make sure every inch of your grass gets the nutrients it needs, right? But here's the catch, it requires assembly, which some users found a bit tedious. I'll be real with you, if you're not handy or don't have someone to help, it might be a bit of a hassle. But if you can manage it, the performance is well worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a spreader that can handle larger areas and is easy to adjust for comfort. Skip this one if you're not into DIY assembly. For the cost, it's an excellent choice if you can get past the assembly hurdle. Now, if that assembly issue is a deal breaker for you, the next option is ready to save you some time. Product number 4, VEVOR Compost Spreader with Push-Toe Handle. Now let's talk about the VEVOR Compost Spreader with the push-toe handle. Also priced at $68.90 and boasting a 4.1-star rating, this one's great for those who need flexibility. With its dual-purpose handle, you can easily switch between manual pushing for small areas or towing for larger jobs. The 4 adjustable heights ensure comfort for users of all sizes, which can be a real game changer if multiple family members are using it. It holds the same 2.66 cubic feet of material, so you're not sacrificing capacity. This is a big deal because you want to maximize efficiency and minimize the number of trips back to refill. However, similar to the previous model, it requires assembly. Some people find this frustrating, especially if you're short on time or tools. But let's be honest, once it's together, the versatility makes it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile spreader that can adapt to your needs. Skip this one if you're not handy or don't like the idea of putting things together. Considering the features, it's a solid investment for your lawn care needs. Now, if you want something that's easy to set up right out of the box, wait until you hear about my next pick. Product number 5, Garden Tailor Compost Spreader. Last but not least, we have the Garden Tailor Compost Spreader at $67.99 and a rating of 4.2 stars from 130 reviews. If you want something that's quick to set up, this one might do the trick. What's impressive here is that it claims to reduce top dressing time by 75%. This spreader also includes side latches for smooth operation, which can be particularly helpful on slopes. This is crucial for ease of use, especially if you're working on uneven terrain. However, some users have raised concerns about its long-term durability. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for regular compost or topsoil, it should hold up just fine. But if you're planning on heavy-duty use, it might be worth considering something more robust. This is perfect for you if you want a spreader that's easy to assemble and quick to use. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty option. Given the time it can save, it's a great value for anyone looking to spruce up their lawn without a lot of fuss. So there you have it. We've covered the Scott's EdgeGuard Mini, the various VEVOR models, and the Garden Tailor Compost Spreader. Each of these has its strengths, whether it's ease of use, durability, or adjustable heights. The right choice really depends on your specific needs, but any of these options can help you achieve a healthy, vibrant lawn. Happy spreading!